guys, so what happens when best friends collaborate? Beautiful things, clearly. With 8 years of friendship in their arsenal, the next best thing for Diane and Gillian was to start their own line of home decor. And they're the brains behind P&P Crafted Emotions. I don't know how the P come in, because one is Diane and one is Gillian. Anyway, Dan Stewart over here, Gillian Chatterpaul Roberts, co-owners of P&P Crafted Items, Crafted Emotions.
Right.
Ladies, good morning to you.
Good morning.
How did P&P come in?
Okay, basically it started as a tribute to our mothers. You know, when you come from a country, everybody have a little nickname.
P?
Yeah.
P is a regular one. Yes.
All right, so my mother's nickname is Peggy and hers is Pam. So it's like a tribute to our mothers because they kind of crafted us into the human that we are today. So we wanted to pay tributes to them.
That's so sweet. And then let's not leave out Daddy, because Daddy had a hand. Who's Daddy? Gillian
My
is your
daddy.
Your daddy, Diane.
Yes.
Is a carpenter.
Carpenter, yes.
So he's taught you tricks of the trade.
Yeah, so little things that, you know, sanding, spraying,
Carving.
wood,
Yeah.
everything wood.
So this is on October 27, baby.
Right.
Gillian, give me the backstory. You both went to UA.
Right. We both went to UA. I have a degree in digital media and Diana has a degree in literatures. We both have a regular 9 to 5, but then we were working endlessly with nothing fulfilling about it. So we basically decided that why not do this? I'm good at it. You are good at it. We find joy in it because it started as a hobby, basically, just to express our frustrations about, you know, been typical and having a regular 9 to 5. So it started as a way of expressing our frustration, and it turned out into something beautiful.
Yeah. So how did you get the word out, Diane? When you guys said, okay, first of all, how did you know you were both good at it?
Being friends, we know what each other's passions are.
So you both loved like being handy.
Yes.
Did you like go on YouTube and search through stuff and were like, I can do this?
We live on Pinterest.
Yes. How did I know you were going to say
and
Pinterest?
Yes, we live on Pinterest, and we are influenced a lot by basically everything. Our upbringing, or how we were brought up is to fix everything. Make things. If you can't afford something, you make it.
Yes.
So we did those things for ourselves, and then people just liked it, and we started giving things away.
For
I
free.
realized that we can sell things, so why not do that? Yeah.
I don't know. I want to ask you what you make, but really what I want to ask is what you don't make, because there's everything is here. It's
We can build house.
I'm not
Cannot build a
Yes.
house.
Give you time. Give you time.
So we don't know how to lay blocks.
But you can build everything that goes inside the house.
Yes.
Basically.
Cushions, vases, decorative pieces.
Yeah.
Right.
The jewelry is not for the house, but you go in the house and you can wear the
Right.
jewelry. So tell me about the range of stuff and how you guys are handy at all of this.
Yes,
You
everything.
do this yourself.
Yes, by hand.
I'm impressed.
Yes, so basically how it started is that our base is home decor. We handcraft everything by ourselves, it's just the two of us. But we also do interior design, we make jewelry, we specialize in gifts for special occasions, but we also do event planning as well. So it's a wide range.
Yeah,
it's a bit broad and we spread ourselves a little thin, but we can manage.
Hold on. In addition to all of this,
All of this.
you do event management.
Right.
Yeah.
One is Pinky and one is the brain. And y'all are just going to take over the world.
Yes.
That's the plan.
Basically.
All right. So what's been happening with the business since you started?
All right, since we've started so far, we've had a lot of support from friends and families and colleagues as well. Most of the inspiration that we've had behind creating a lot of the pieces have been requests from our colleagues. So we are so thankful for them because of them, we wouldn't have thought of so many of the pieces that we've done. And so we have a wider range of things to offer because of them, and we're really thankful for that.
All right, Diane, I'm going to allow you to talk us through the products that you have, starting with what you've got on the floor.
Okay, we have some cushions on the floor.
Yes.
We tried to do a little color thing, you know, a little color.
Color coordination.
Green and burnt orange and beige.
Very
you know,
nice.
Get going. And we have tea light holders here.
Well, I don't leave the floor yet.
Oh,
Oh,
we don't
that
leave the
sign
floor
that
yet.
you have there that says relax.
Relax.
I love that.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
real wood, by the way.
Yeah, so we have to, you know, we have to stencil these things. We have
Oh,
to
but you're blocking the relax with the pillow, so we can't even see it.
see it
There
there.
you go.
There you go.
No, I meant to understand, Diane, that
Yeah.
you cut out that yourself, paint it yourself.
Okay, most of them we do ourselves.
Right.
But when they're very tiny, for
And
example.
delicate, have a lot more details, we ask for help. There's no
Yeah.
problem with asking for help because we really and truly don't know how all the tools work. But the good thing about it is that we're willing to learn.
I love
So,
the relaxed. It's
yes.
very relaxing.
Yeah.
Okay, love these.
Yes.
Did you have the vase and then you decorated it? How did it?
Yes.
Okay.
You have the glass base.
Yeah.
And then we have to manually break all the stones and finish the product. We don't want to go through all of them.
Yeah, but I'm just telling you, you don't have the gift on your hands. Plus, then the jewelry,
Right.
which is probably the easiest part, right? Can you just get the stones?
Yeah, it's easier.
It's
It's,
easier.
it's
Both
the easiest
wearing
thing that we
pieces.
do.
Right.
Yeah.
And Valentine's Day is coming up and we wanted something special to offer to our customers. So we have jewelry ready, we have necklaces, and we have bracelets.
You see,
One
arm
of the special
candy
things
here.
that one of the special things that we've been offering lately is the breast cancer awareness
Yes, I
bracelet.
see that.
Right. Those are very popular and on demand, so we are heading into that direction.
Okay,
Currently.
and then those pieces over there are stunning.
Right.
I mean, you put that in a room, it just
Yeah.
literally pops,
Right.
lights up, depending on how
Yeah.
the light hits. Look at that black one on camera, guys. Look at that. Oh, my word. Okay, I'm going to assume that you guys don't break the bank with your prices either.
No, we don't.
Yeah.
Because how it started essentially is we saw expensive things that we like but couldn't afford because broke. So we thought of a way of making them ourselves and a cheaper way of making them. And so that's one of the things we offer to our customers as well. If you see something that you like and it's a little expensive, if you would like the products and if you like the items that we use to create our pieces, and if you think we can replicate it for you, then we'll be willing to.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Right.
What is the ultimate goal, you guys? You want to build an empire, don't you?
We would all
Yeah.
like to build an empire,
Yeah.
especially a female-led empire. We don't have a lot of those, and it's on the rise, and we want a piece of it. Why not?
Yeah, and
So-
friends, you know this thing about ladies working together, you don't look like you have that problem at all.
No, we don't.
You don't argue and fight and...
We do,
We do.
but when
Naturally.
business comes around, it's time
Yeah.
for work and
Yeah.
pettiness aside.
Yeah, so where do you market? Where do you advertise? How can folks get in touch with you if they want to source your products, either something you have or get something made?
All right, so currently we work from home, but we can be contacted by our social media. That is PNP Emotions at both Instagram and Facebook.
That's P and P, guys.
Emotions on Instagram and Facebook, or you can email us at pnpemotions@gmail.com, or you can call our WhatsApp us at 876-408-4783 or 296-5954.
Okay, and for Valentine's, you say you have some nice things going on.
Right.
So if we visit your page, we can see
We
what
can
you
see
have
all
in
of
store.
what is being offered.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, ladies.
Thanks
Headed
for having us.
Destined for Great Things. Instagram is P and P. That should be emotions, right?
Emotions,
Yes, it should be.
So there's an O in there. So it's
Yes.
P and P Emotions on Instagram, or you can email them P and P Emotions. And do you have a lot of confusion with yourselves and the political party?
No, we don't, strangely enough.
Okay. Because a while ago you kind of had to distinguish
Yes.
and make sure. Guys, Valentine's or any other event, you can buy stuff for that special someone or your friend or whomever. You can decorate your house or you can get your event planned. They do everything and the kitchen sink at PNP Crafted Emotions.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, ladies.
Thank you for having
All
us.
the best to you.
Thank you.
Owners Diane Stewart and Gillian Catapult Roberts from Best Friends to Mom and Daughter, who could also be best friends. Lots of collabs happening this morning. Find out what's cooking after the break.